How to fix clear history grayed out on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up settings. Inside here, scroll below, tap on screen time. Now scroll below again, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure this toggle is turned off. Once you do that, you need to go ahead and simply head back and then check Safari again to see if clear history is available. If it's still grayed out, you need to go ahead and simply tap on apps. Scroll below again, search for Safari and then tap onto it. Scroll below, then you will be able to find an option that says clear history and website data. Tap onto that, and then if it's still grayed out, you can simply move on to the next fix. Now you can simply swipe down to open the control center, and here you will be able to find a power button right over here. Simply tap onto it to power off. Wait for 30 seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. After restarting, you can check Safari again. In most cases, this fixes the clear history grayed out problem. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.